Hello, good morning to everyone. Today we are going to start very important topics in organic chemistry. Based on NCERT syllabus, in NCERT textbook, what are given named organic reactions? Acha, every year in NEET examination or JEE examination, they may ask the questions, maximum of 3 questions from named reactions. Matlab maximum 12 marks we are going to discuss this during this video. Now let's start with the first reaction is Sandy-Meyers reaction. Sandy-Meyers reaction. So what is the Sandy-Meyers reaction is? Acha, Sandy-Meyers reaction, conversion of diazonium salts, benzene diazonium chloride into chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, cyanobenzene. Nothing but a Sandy-Meyers reaction only. Acha, during this conversion of देख लीजिए, during this conversion, अच्छा benzene diazonium chloride है. Any one example I go for benzene diazonium chloride है. Benzene diazonium chloride है. Benzene diazonium chloride है. अच्छा, in the presence of copper halides है. CuCl and HCl. We get a chlorobenzene. We get chlorobenzene plus N2HCl. अच्छा, chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene. This is nothing but Sandy-Meyers reaction है. Simply आप देख लीजिए, Cl, Br and Cl nucleophiles can easily be introduced in the benzene ring. Benzene ring by presence of cupric ion, cuprous ion. This reaction is called Sandy-Meyers reaction. So many times this question is asked. Mechanism they never asked previously. Simply you go for named reaction, Sandy-Meyers reaction. What is Sandy-Meyers reaction? This is a very simple Sandy-Meyers reaction. अच्छा, preparation of chlorobenzene, like bromobenzene, like cyanobenzene, like cyanobenzene. अच्छा, this is Sandy-Meyers reaction. Conversion of diazonium salts into chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, cyanobenzene is called Sandy-Meyers reaction. Very simple. Next, Gatter-Meyers reaction. अच्छा, Gatter-Meyers reaction is a modification of Sandy-Meyers reaction only. Gatter-Meyers reaction is nothing but modification of Sandy-Meyers reaction only. अच्छा, Sandy-Meyers reaction. In Sandy-Meyers reaction, instead of copper halides, copper powder is used. अच्छा, देखो simple thing. Now, in Sandy-Meyers reaction, instead of copper halides, copper powder is used. Copper powder is used. Copper powder is. For example, same example we go for diazonium, benzene diazonium chloride. In the presence of copper in HCl, we get chlorobenzene. This is called Gatter-Meyers. Simply modification of Sandy-Meyers reaction is called nothing but Gatter-Meyers reaction. Yes, copper halides के place में copper powder use कर रहा है. That's it. This is nothing but this yield in Sandy-Meyers reaction is found to be better than Gatter-Meyers reaction. अच्छा, देखो one more important है Ball-Suchment reaction है. देखो one more important है Ball-Suchment reaction है. This is very important reaction है. Is very important reaction है. Preparation of fluorobenzene from diazonium salts. Preparation of fluorobenzene from diazonium salts. Here fluoroboric acid is used. अच्छा, benzene diazonium chloride है. अच्छा, in the presence of fluoroboric acid है. Fluoroboric acid है. First unstable compound is formed. Once unstable compound is formed, N2 plus BF4 minus. अच्छा, this is unstable है, heat है. We get fluorobenzene plus N2 plus BF3. अच्छा, चलो in benzene diazonium salts you already studied that here अच्छा सोडियम नाइट्राइड से हीट करेगा तो अच्छा नाइट्रोबेंजीन भी आएगा, but this is not Bose-Achterman reaction, but nitrogen preparation also there, the same method. देखो second third one is Bose-Achterman reaction है, preparation of fluorobenzene है, but here difference you can see the difference है, क्या difference है? Difference में nitrogen also you have to prepare, right? Nitrogen also you have to prepare. Next Finn-Clason reaction है, in alkyl halide में second chapter में alkyl halide में Finn-Clason reaction है. अच्छा व्हाट इज ए Finn-Clason reaction है, व्हाट इज मेंट बाय Finn-Clason reaction है, देख लीजिए. Alkyl iodides are converted into, means chlorides bromides converted into corresponding iodides है. अच्छा in this what they are using, sodium iodide is a solvent is used, sodium iodide है. And in acetone solution है, and in acetone solution है, because in acetone solution we can use अच्छा best example है RCl है in the presence of NaI, अच्छा Ri बनेगा plus NaCl, because this NaCl which is insoluble in acetone, they easily can separate alkyl iodides and NaCl, either NaCl or NaBr only. अच्छा Finn-Clason reaction है which is given in 12th standard है alkyl halide chapter में. What is the Finn-Clason reaction? Is preparation of alkyl iodides from chlorides and bromides is nothing but Finn-Clason reaction है. Here they are asking the what is the reagent is acetone, because sodium chloride and sodium bromide is formed which is insoluble in acetone है, easily can separate it from iodides only. Right, chalo next next one, fifth one is Schwarz reaction है. Fifth one is Schwarz reaction है. अच्छा देखो what is the Schwarz reaction is preparation of, that is the preparation of fluorides है, preparation of fluorides है from chlorides and bromides है. Preparation of fluorides है, the good fluorinating agent is AgF only. अच्छा for example देखो CH, for example देख लीजिए CH3 है, Cl है, AgF है, गुड फ्लोरिनेटिंग एजेंट्स है. अच्छा देखो CH3F प्लस AgCl, preparation of alkyl fluorides है by using AgF, any good fluorinating agents we can use है. अच्छा good fluorinating agent is AgF is a good fluorinating agent only. देखो this अच्छा these are called halogen exchange reactions है. देखो Finn-Clason reaction है, Schwarz reaction is are known as halogen exchange reactions only. Halogen exchange reactions only. चलो next. अच्छा Urju reaction is very important है. Urju reaction is very important है. Next one is Urju reaction है. देखो Urju reaction है. In Urju reaction आप देख लीजिए, alkyl halides are react with sodium in dry ether to give it, means condensation of alkyl halide in the presence of dry ether to get a corresponding alkane is called Urju reaction. Because this is very important application, they will ask you Urju reaction में. अच्छा I am telling you in Urju reaction है, देखो in Urju reaction है, in Urju reaction है generally condensation of alkyl halides है, condensation of alkyl halide है with sodium metal है, in the presence of ether medium we get alkane. अच्छा important point is what they are asking, this method is not suitable for what? अच्छा this method is not suitable for what? These are the questions they are asking. This method is not suitable for preparation of unsymmetrical alkane, not suitable for preparation of methane, preparation of unsymmetrical alkanes. And in case of tertiary alkyl halide, in case of tertiary alkyl halide, elimination reaction, disproportion में elimination reactions are favors. Elimination reactions are favors. अच्छा, these are the special conditions. Methane cannot be prepared. Unsymmetrical alkane के very difficult to separate because the boiling point difference is less than 20 है, because these are homologous series हैं. In case of tertiary alkyl, elimination reactions are favors only. Generally we go for primary, secondary alkyl के लिए Uji reaction suitable reaction है. अच्छा, sometime previous class intramolecular Uji reaction also asked. So intramolecular Uji reaction also asked. अच्छा, previous class का question है intramolecular. Intramolecular Uji reaction also asked. अच्छा, previous class का question, this is free radical mechanism है. फ्री रेडिकल मैकेनिज्म है. यहां भी सब ब्रोमीन है, यहां भी ब्रोमीन है. अच्छा, इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ इनर्ट सॉल्वेंट है, ईथर मीडियम है. अच्छा, आपको बनेगा साइक्लो बाइसाइक्लो कंपाउंड्स है, साइक्लो कंपाउंड्स. अच्छा, यहां भी एक फ्री रेडिकल है, यहां भी एक फ्री रेडिकल है, 2NaBr है. दिस फ्री रेडिकल इज जॉइंड है. फ्री रेडिकल मैकेनिज्म है, intramolecular Uji reaction. So these are the question frequently asked question in Uji reaction में. And one more important point in Uji reaction is, in Uji reaction instead of sodium zinc is used. That named reaction is called Franklin reaction. In above reaction, so instead of sodium, suppose we use zinc, then above reaction is known as Franklin reaction. Above reaction is known as Franklin reaction. This is regarding to Uji reaction. Chalo, next we are going to discuss what is Uji reaction is important. These are the important terms. What are the important? Once again, you can check it. Not suitable for preparation of methane, not suitable for preparation of unsymmetrical alkane. But in case of tertiary alkyl, elimination reactions are taking place. What is the Franklin reaction? What is the intramolecular Uji reaction? Chalo. Now this is a Uji reaction. Now what is Uji fitting reaction? First, what is the fitting reaction? Then Uji fitting reaction. देखो, Uji fitting reaction क्या होता है? Uji fitting reaction क्या होता है? अगर एक suppose aryl halide है, एक अल्काइल हैलाइड है, अच्छा फॉर्मेशन. द बेस्ट एग्जांपल आप देख लीजिए एक बार. बेस्ट एग्जांपल है अच्छा क्लोरोबेंजीन है, अच्छा मिथाइल क्लोराइड है, in ether medium, अच्छा we get toluene. This is the best example for Uji fitting reaction. चलो, then after that Uji fitting reaction है, then what is the fitting reaction? अच्छा condensation of aryl halides only aryl है, biphenyl आता है, biphenyl आता है. अच्छा ये बाइफिनाइल है, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ बाइफिनाइल्स है. देखो कैसा, अच्छा एक क्लोरो व्यंजन है, अच्छा 2 मोल्स ऑफ सोडियम, अच्छा एक और क्लोरो व्यंजन है, we get biphenyl and diphenyl. We get biphenyl and diphenyl, biphenyl or diphenyl. But instead of sodium, suppose you're using a copper powder, this is called Ullmann's reaction होता है. अच्छा Ullmann's reaction is applicable to only iodobenzene. Iodine है, you're using copper है. अच्छा again we get same biphenyl or diphenyl. But this reaction is what they call as Ullmann's reaction. Ullmann's reaction means instead of sodium we are using copper. That too is applicable to iodobenzene. In iodobenzene, these are nothing but Ullmann's reaction. चलो next. अच्छा Fidelkoff's reactions. Fidelkoff's alkylation है, Fidelkoff's acylation है, Fidelkoff's benzylation है. So we are discussing Fidelkoff's reaction is example for EAS reaction. देखो FC reactions are example for electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. Electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. अच्छा whether alkylation है, acylation है, benzylation है. So very simple है. In case of alkylation है, previous last questions है. अच्छा benzene alkylation है. Alkylation means methyl chloride है. In the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride है. अच्छा आपको बनेगा टोलिन है. अच्छा they will ask the question here electrophile कौन है? अच्छा ये electrophile है CH3 plus है. AlCl4 minus है. ये electrophile is CH3 plus one. Example for electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. Electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Suppose instead of methyl, suppose we will provide propyl. The previously asked question है. In case of propyl is given C3H7Cl. Anhydrous aluminum chloride है. Now major compound is isopropyl benzene, cumene है. Major compound is isopropyl benzene. अच्छा one of the preparation में phenol intermediate compound is isopropyl benzene. अच्छा देखो in intermediate compound है ये electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction carbocation form होता है. As usual in above here carbocation is CH3 CH2 CH2 carbocation है. और kind of formation whenever primary carbocation is formed, this is electrophile. There is a chance for rearrangement. That's why rearrange better rearrangement. Better possibility is 1 to hydride shift. So beware of this. Whenever carbocation is formed, there is chance for rearrangement. 1 to hydride shift. Then we get secondary carbocation. Yes, secondary carbocation is nothing but electrophile. This is electrophile. That's why. Instead of hydrogen, this group is replaced. That's why isopropyl benzene is a major compound. अच्छा Fidelkoff's alkylation है, acylation भी same फंडा. Fidelkoff's alkylation है. अच्छा acylation भी same है, benzylation भी same है. अच्छा Fidelkoff's alkylation acylation देखो. acylation में क्या होता है? बेंजीन acetyl chloride or you can use acetic anhydride also. Replacement of acyl group है. Anhydrous aluminum chloride है. अच्छा ये इलेक्ट्रोफाइल बनते हैं CH3CO plus acyl carbocation and AlCl4 minus. अच्छा, instead of H plus है, this is replaced है, that's why acetophenone is formed. Acetophenone is formed. Acetophenone is formed. Acetophenone is formed. इसका Fidelkamp's acylation है. अच्छा, similar manner benzylation है. Fidelkamp's benzylation है. अच्छा, Fidelkamp's benzylation क्या होता है? When benzene react with the benzoyl chloride, this acetyl chloride, now benzene react with the benzoyl chloride, C6H5, CW1OCl, benzoyl chloride, benzoyl chloride. अच्छा, benzoyl chloride में क्या बनेगा? देखो, just like previous one, here benzophenone बनेगा. बेंजोफिनोन बनेगा, बेंजोफिनोन बनेगा. But here one thing you remember है. अच्छा, which of the, they may ask the question, which of the following compound does not give the FC reaction है? अच्छा, previous class का question है. अच्छा, limitation क्या है? अच्छा, limitation क्या है? इसमें limitations है like deactivating groups on benzene ring, like benzoylate है और सिलेबस कंटेंट नाइट्रोबेंजीन है, लाइक बेंजोइक एसिड है, all are our syllabus containing benzaldehyde है, नाइट्रोबेंजीन है, बेंजोइक एसिड है. अच्छा, साइनोबेंजीन है सपोज. बट एक्टिवेटिंग ग्रुप में एक और लिमिटेशन था, इनिलीन. अच्छा, दिस मॉलिक्यूल के लिए देयर इज नो एफसी रिएक्शन, नो फिडेलकाम्प्स रिएक्शन है, नो एफसी रिएक्शंस. अच्छा, समटाइम द क्वेश्चंस आर आस्किंग इन नेम्ड रिएक्शन में which of the following reaction never undergoes Fidelkamp's reaction? These are two compounds, sir, because deactivating groups are present, right? Further, no reactions are taking place because which can accept a pair, which is donating a pair of electrons to the electron deficient compounds. This is not possible. These are limitations in FC reactions. अच्छा, यार देखो, aromatic carboxylic acids do not undergo FC reaction. Deactivating and the catalyst aluminum chloride gets bonded to, because देखो carboxylic groups is deactivating and the catalyst aluminum chloride gets bonded to the carboxylic group only, because there is no FC reaction for this one. अच्छा, same Fidelkamp's acylation reactions also we discussed. Formation of acetophenone, like Fidelkamp's benzylation also. Then very important है Riemann-Tiemann reaction. देखो Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Then Riemann-Tiemann reaction, next 11th one is Riemann-Tiemann reaction. अच्छा, Riemann-Tiemann reaction में major compound is salicylic. Major compound is salicylic. अच्छा, क्वेश्चंस आर आस्किंग, आप देख लीजिए, क्वेश्चंस आर आस्किंग हियर और हियर. इन Riemann-Tiemann रिएक्शन है, Riemann-Tiemann रिएक्शन है. अच्छा, व्हाट आर इलेक्ट्रोफाइल्स देयर आस्किंग? इलेक्ट्रोफाइल्स आर कार्बीन्स. कार्बीन्स क्या है? न्यूट्रल इलेक्ट्रोफाइल. न्यूट्रल इलेक्ट्रोफाइल. एग्जांपल फॉर इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एरोमेटिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन है. एग्जांपल फॉर इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एरोमेटिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शंस. अच्छा, व्हेनेवर देखो फिनोल है, अच्छा, क्लोरोफॉर्म alkali KOH or NaOH. For this reactant side, we get carbenes, intermediate compound. Actually, we get two isomers are possible, but the major compound is ortho-hydroxybenzaldehyde, salicylic because of intramolecular. This is major compound. Actually, minor compound is para position में because of intramolecular hydrogen bonding, ortho-isomer is most stable. Actually, previously asked question है Riemann-Damien reaction में electrophile कौन है? Actually, electrophile is carbenes are electrophile because in complete 11th and 12th only two reactions में carbenes are intermediate compound. One is Riemann-Damien reaction, another one is carbon-amine reaction. They are asking the question like this. This is a carbon-amine reaction only. So mechanism. If you want to mechanism, I made already one mechanism video for Riemann-Damien reaction and coal-based electrolysis. We can go and we can check it if you require. Because in particularly in NEET examination, they are not asking much depth in mechanism. They are asking only simple thing, peripheral, like what are carbenes, like what are the reactants, what are the products, named reactions they are asking. So this is nothing but Riemann-Damien reaction. Riemann-Damien reaction में major compound is salicylic. Minor compound also formed ortho-peroxybenzaldehyde. This is ortho-peroxybenzaldehyde is major compound. Minor compound is para-hydroxybenzaldehyde. Right? अच्छा, Kolb's reaction है. Kolb's reaction है. One more, Kolb-based electrolysis is different from Kolb's reaction. Kolb's reaction only. अच्छा, Kolb's reaction में ये electrophile है, CO2 होता है. Kolb's reaction में आप देख लीजिए electrophile होता है, CO2. अच्छा, this is also an example for in the above also example for electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. अच्छा, previous one Riemann-Damien reaction also example for electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction होता है. ये previous example में electrophile is carbenes है, ये electrophile is CO2 है. ये electrophile is nothing but CO2. Electrophile is nothing but CO2 है. अच्छा, 2-hydroxybenzoic acid, salicylic acid है. In previous example में salicylic है. अच्छा, questions are previously asked question है. One AIMS exam में क्या कोई question पूछता है? अच्छा, instead of chloroform here. अच्छा, instead of chloroform, suppose they take CCl4 है. Suppose they take CCl4 है. Suppose they take CCl4 है. The major compound is nothing but this is not salicylic, salicylic acid. अच्छा, in detail mechanism you required both mechanism. We made one video already. We can watch that video. So Kolb's reaction में electrophile कौन है? What is an example है? And instead of Riemann-Damien reaction, instead of chloroform, you can CCl4. Again, the same compound is formed, right? अच्छा, देखो Rosenmann's reaction क्या होता है? अच्छा, Rosenmann's reaction is useful only preparation of. देखो, Rosenmann's reaction is useful for preparation of only aldehyde है, but formaldehyde cannot be prepared with this method only. Rosenmann's reaction क्या होता है? Alkyl like एस्टाइल क्लोराइड है, एसाइल हैलाइड्स है. अच्छा, in the presence of reducing agent है. अच्छा, you can take a quinoline also, barium sulfate also. Then this is called catalytic poison बोलते हैं. Catalytic poisons है. So acid halides convert into aldehydes. Suppose you are not using this Linda's catalyst time, then complete hydrogenation में first aldehyde then alcohol बनेगा. So if you want to prepare aldehyde, we can use this palladium and barium sulfate है. अच्छा, this is called Rosenmann's reduction है. There is preparation of only aldehyde है, but exception is formaldehyde is not prepared from this method. अच्छा, exception is formaldehyde is not prepared this method. The reason is formal chloride is unstable. CO plus HCl. Other than formaldehyde, this method is used for preparation of aldehydes only. But ketone के लिए this method is not suitable है. This is preparation of only aldehydes है, but not ketones. देखो Rosenmann's, this is Rosenmann's reduction है. Like aromatic aldehydes also. Catalytic reduction and this is a Linder's catalyst only using. So I think previously one examination, NEET examination, this question is asked. Chalo next. One more है preparation of aldehydes है Stephen's reduction है. अच्छा Stephen's reduction देखो. Stephen's reduction है. In Stephen's reduction है. अच्छा cyanides है. Generally cyanides है. Reduce it to in the presence of SnCl2. देखो ये SnCl2 है. SnCl2. HCl है. अच्छा यहाँ reduction करेंगे. Suppose we can use 2 moles of H2. First aldimine is formed. Aldimine is formed. Further hydrolysis gives aldehyde. This method also uses preparation of only aldehydes. Of course, one more advanced diol H also used for this preparation of method without affecting unsaturation. We can use diol H also. We discuss a reagent chapter. अच्छा diol H also used for preparation of aldehydes without affecting double bond unsaturation. Without affecting unsaturation. Of course, esters also converted into aldehydes by using diol H. Specialty there. So many times asked in J examination and AIMS examination diol H. अच्छा Stephen's reduction में SnCl2 है. SnCl2 HCl है. But diol H में so without affecting the unsaturation, again cyanide converted into aldehydes. This is simple difference between diol H. Now one more named reaction है Etoard reaction. Etoard reaction है. अच्छा Etoard reaction क्या होता है? क्रोमाइड क्लोराइड है. क्लोमाइड क्लोराइड है. अच्छा देखो ये क्रोमाइड क्लोराइड है ऑक्सीजन एजेंट. ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट है क्रोमाइड क्लोराइड है. अच्छा टोलिन कन्वर्टेड इनटू बेंजोल्डिहाइड. अच्छा कॉम्प्लेक्स आल्सो देखो ये कॉम्प्लेक्स है. टोलिन कन्वर्टेड इनटू बेंजोल्डिहाइड है. दिस रिएक्शन इज नथिंग बट Etoard reaction and named reactions are so many times asked previous class. Which are the following? Conversion of toluene into benzol is called Etoard reaction. Like, अच्छा Gattermann's-Koch reaction. Once again, Gattermann's-Koch reaction is also an example for EAS. अच्छा, is also example for EAS reaction. Electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. अच्छा, in the electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. अच्छा इलेक्ट्रोफाइल क्या बनते हैं? What is electrophile over here? देखो इलेक्ट्रोफाइल over here is फॉर्माइल कार्बोकैटायन है. अच्छा देखो ACl है CO plus AlCl3 सो आपको बनते का फॉर्माइल कार्बोकैटायन है प्लस AlCl4 माइनस. अच्छा दिस इज इलेक्ट्रोफाइल है. So instead of hydrogen, this replaced. Formal carbocation is replaced. This is nothing but Gattermann's-Koch reaction. Preparation of benzene to benzaldehyde is nothing but Gattermann's-Koch reaction only. This is also example for electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. Are very important reaction. Next, Clemmensen reduction है. Clemmensen reduction है. अच्छा Clemmensen reduction में क्या होता है? C double bond को convert into CH2 है. By using zinc amalgam HCl है. By using zinc amalgam HCl है. देखो. Zinc amalgam HCl है. Zinc amalgam HCl है. Conversion of C double bond into CH2 है. But one limitation is there Clemmensen reduction है. This is a acid sensitive reaction है. अच्छा Clemmensen reaction is acid sensitive reaction है. Acid sensitive reaction. एसिड से, व्हाट इज एसिड सेंसिटिव रिएक्शन होता है? अच्छा, सपोज इनऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड, इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में एसिड सेंसिटिव ग्रुप्स होता है NH2OH. देखो व्हाट आर एसिड सेंसिटिव ग्रुप्स है? OH and NH2 generally. For example, CH3 CHOH, अच्छा CH2 CHO दिया by using zinc amalgam and HCl. अच्छा, most of the students are think that C double bond O changes into CH2 and then this compound is supposed to be CH3 CHOH CH2 CH3. अच्छा, ये गलत, it is wrong, supposed to be like, but what happens over here? What happens over here? आप देख लीजिए. अच्छा, CH3 CHOH CH2 CH3 है, ये क्या है? एसिड सेंसिटिव है, एसिडिक मीडियम में रिएक्शन होता है. व्हेनेवर एसिडिक मीडियम में रिएक्शन है, देखो ऑक्सीजन एक्सेस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन है, मोस्ट काइंड हार्टेड एलिमेंट इन ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री है, which can give the electrons to H plus है, make a bond with hydrogen. Now it is better living group है. OH plus हो गया, CH2 CH3 हो गया, CH2 CH2 हो गया. अच्छा, then what happens whenever it protonation happens, this good living group होता है, this good living group है, बाहर जाएंगे, good living group है. now कार्बोकेटायन बनेगा CH3 CH plus CH2 CH3. now देखो this alpha beta beta, again beta elimination है, अंडर हाई टेम्परेचर है, बीटा एलिमिनेशन होता है. अच्छा, बीटा एलिमिनेशन में क्या बनेगा? अल्किन बनेगा. तो अल्किन बनेगा, अच्छा CH3 CH डबल बॉन्ड CH3 बनेगा, CH3 बनेगा. दैट मींस क्लेमेंसन रिडक्शन इज एसिड सेंसिटिव है, वुल्फिकेशन रिडक्शन इज बेस सेंसिटिव है. बेस सेंसिटिव मींस डिहाइड्रोएलिनेशन विल टेक प्लेस. अच्छा, देयर इज नो एसिड सेंसिटिव ग्रुप्स इन रिएक्शन, देन बेटर यू कैन यूज क्लेमेंसन रिडक्शन. There is no base sensitive reaction, you can use Wolff-Kishner reduction. These are the major setbacks in Clemmensen reduction and Wolff-Kishner reduction. Both methods are useful for conversion of C double bond to CH2. Then Wolff-Kishner reduction में क्या होता है? Wolff-Kishner reduction में, अच्छा Wolff-Kishner reduction में हाइड्रोजन है, independence of a strong base है. अच्छा, more or less same only. This is a base sensitive reaction है. Clemmensen reduction is acid sensitive reaction. This is a base sensitive reaction. Base sensitive reaction. मतलब in the presence of a strong base, there is chance for dehydrohalogenation. Again there is a formation of alkenes. So whenever halogen atoms are given, don't use Clemmensen reduction, you can use the Clemmensen. Don't use Wolff-Kishner reduction, you can use Clemmensen reduction. देखो चलो नेक्स्ट. अच्छा, टोलिन्स टेस्ट है, टोलिन्स टेस्ट. अच्छा, व्हाट इज टोलिन्स रिएजेंट? इज अमोनिकल सिल्वर नाइट्रेट सॉल्यूशन. टोलिन्स रिएजेंट, अमोनिकल सिल्वर नाइट्रेट सॉल्यूशन नथिंग बट टोलिन्स रिएजेंट है. देखो अमोनिकल सिल्वर नाइट्रेट सॉल्यूशन नथिंग बट टोलिन्स रिएजेंट है, अमोनिकल सिल्वर नाइट्रेट सॉल्यूशन. अच्छा, whenever aldehydes only respond but not ketones are respond. Aldehydes are only respond. अच्छा देखो, instead of this है complex है, shall we write Ag2O? See, this is called silver mirror. Silver mirror है. अच्छा, aldehydes respond but not ketones. I am writing over here. Aldehydes are respond. Aldehydes are respond to Tollens test, but not ketones. But एक limitations है ketones में. Alpha hydroxy ketones can respond because of tautomerium. but alpha hydroxy ketone can respond. Achha, that's the reason why glucose, fructose. You know, fructose is nothing but ketone, but alpha hydroxy ketone hai. Fructose can reduce the tolerance to the fructose can reduce. That's because of this reason. Even though fructose having ketone group, fructose can reduce. Fructose can reduce. For your kind of information, among monosaccharides and disaccharide, except sucrose, all are nothing but reducing sugars. Like which can reduce tolerance reagent and failing solution. So we remember alpha hydroxy ketone can respond. अच्छा, carboxylic acid में formic acid also give the test on. अच्छा, important point है, आप note करो, formic acid also give the test on. अच्छा, here formic acid also give the test. Also give the test, formic acid. Among the carboxylic acid, only formic acid है. Other than that, aldehydes है, but ketones में alpha hydroxy ketone give the test only. अच्छा, tolerance test है. अच्छा, failing में there are two solutions होता है. Failing solution A, failing solution B है. Failing solution, what are failing solution A and B है? तो एक बार देखो, failing solution A क्या होता है? अच्छा, failing solution A is a copper sulfate है. Failing solution B is alkaline sodium potassium tartrate. This is called Rochelle salt. अच्छा, this is gives a red PPT. This is called red PPT. But here limitations है. क्या limitations है? Aromatic aldehydes cannot respond. Here limitation is there. A limitation is there. Aromatic aldehydes cannot respond. But anyhow, ketone no response है, ketones है. But alpha hydroxy ketone can respond. But aromatic aldehydes cannot respond to testosterone. Aromatic aldehyde cannot respond to testosterone. Right? Aromatic aldehyde cannot respond to testosterone. Now, very important, you go for aldol condensation, aldol reaction. Achha, this is everybody might know the aldol condensation. If you want, we make special named reactions mechanism. Then I go for aldol condensation. क्या होता है? देखो. अच्छा, aldol condensation है, Cannizzaro reaction है. I can first go for aldol condensation. क्या होता है? In aldol condensation में simple thing is condensation means removal of some water molecule, removal of some ammonia molecule, removal of small molecules in the presence of high temperature and heat only. It is possible only condensation of 2 or 3 molecules only. Like condition for aldol condensation में, अच्छा देखो, अल्फा हाइड्रोजन होना चाहिए. अल्फा हाइड्रोजन नथिंग बट एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन है. अच्छा, मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट है इन दिस aldol condensation में इंटरमीडिएट कंपाउंड कौन है? इंटरमीडिएट कौन है? इंटरमीडिएट कंपाउंड इज कार्बन आयन है. कार्बन आयन है. अच्छा देखो, वेरी सिंपल फंडा, वेरी से विदाउट राइटिंग मैकेनिज्म आई एम टेलिंग यू. अच्छा, एसिटाल्डिहाइड है. देखो, एसिटाल्डिहाइड है. अच्छा, वन मोर मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ एसिटाल्डिहाइड है. आई विल राइट वन मोर मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ एसिटाल्डिहाइड लाइक दिस, CH2CH. अच्छा, फर्स्ट स्टेप में कार्बन आयन फॉर्म होना चाहिए. अच्छा, आई विल राइट कार्बन आयन ऐसा. ये फंक्शन ग्रुप है, ये अल्फा, ये कार्बन आयन फॉर्म होता है. डोंट डेफिनेटली. नाउ दिस कार्बन आयन इज एडेड टू इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट कार्बन. वेरी सिंपल, विदाउट राइटिंग मैकेनिज्म आई एम टेलिंग यू. दिस कार्बन आयन इज एडेड टू द इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट कार्बन. सो आयोडीन एडेड टू ऑक्सीजन only. अच्छा सिंपल थिंग है CH3 CHOH CH2 CHO, सिंपल थिंग। अच्छा फॉलोड बाय डेल्टा, अच्छा ऐसा आएगा फॉलोड बाय डेल्टा मींस वी हैव टू अप्लाई द एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन, नथिंग बट सेजेफ रूल है। सेजेफ रूल में क्या है, ये बीटा कार्बन है, बीटा कार्बन लेस नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन फ्रॉम बीटा कार्बन यू हैव टू एलिमिनेट, दिस इज कॉल्ड सेजेफ रूल। अच्छा मतलब CH3 CH डबल बॉन्ड CH CH, दिस कॉल्ड प्रोटोनॉल्डिहाइड, is nothing but protonaldehyde. Protonaldehyde is a major compound. Actually, without writing a mechanism, simply you have to write how to write the aldol condensation products. चलो एक और एग्जांपल है आपके लिए, एक और एग्जांपल है विदाउट राइटिंग ए मैकेनिज्म। विदाउट राइटिंग मैकेनिज्म एक और प्रोटोनॉल्डेहाइड ले लो। अच्छा CH3 CH2 CH2, अच्छा one more molecule of propanoldehyde I am writing, one molecule of propanoldehyde। अच्छा मैंने ऐसा लिखा बिकॉज वी रिक्वायर्ड अल्फा कार्बन ना, फंक्शन ग्रुप है वी रिक्वायर्ड अल्फा कार्बन नॉट बीटा कार्बन। सो फ्रॉम अल्फा कार्बन कार्बन आयन बनेगा, डोंट डाउट एट ऑल, फ्रॉम अल्फा कार्बन कार्बन आयन बनेगा, दिस कार्बन आयन एडेड टू इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट कंपाउंड। सो डायरेक्टली यू हैव टू राइट CH3 CH2, अच्छा CHOH CH3 CH2। now heat करो, then heat alpha beta beta, where less number of hydrogen you have to remove hydrogens only, so we get CH3 CH2 CH double bond C CH3 CH2, this is major compound। अच्छा any compound is given you have to write very simple manner, so this is how they are asking the question है, and any compound is given in the place of base NaOH or KOH है, aldol condensation है। अच्छा 2 molecules of acetone also aldol condensation होता है, but sometimes they may ask the question applications are intramolecular aldol condensation। अच्छा क्रॉस भी डिफरेंट है, 2 डिफरेंट है, 4 प्रोडक्ट्स आर ऑब्टेन्ड क्रॉस में। अच्छा इंट्रामोलिकुलर में क्या होता है, इंट्रामोलिकुलर में देखो इंट्रामोलिकुलर में क्या होता है, एक एग्जांपल आपके लिए, इंट्रामोलिकुलर है, इंट्रामोलिकुलर aldol कंडेंसेशन है, aldol कंडेंसेशन एक एग्जांपल आपके लिए कैसा वो देता है, मींस सपोज cyclohexane is given and followed by some reagents है like ozonolysis है, जिंक and H2O। अच्छा compound A is formed, compound A dil NaOH followed by delta। अच्छा compound B is formed, what are compound A and B, like question they ask conversion में। then what we will do, first step is nothing but ozonolysis में, ozonolysis में ये काम करना, ये डबल बॉन्ड को ब्रेक करना, बोथ साइड पुट ऑक्सीजन, मतलब आपको आएंगे ये CHO ये वाला CH। अच्छा नंबर दो, नंबरिंग दो, 1 2 3 4 5 6। now this intramolecular, previously we take 2 molecules of carbon compound, now within the same molecule 2 groups are there। अच्छा anyhow 1 कार्बन में कार्बन आयन फॉर्म होता है, 10 कार्बन आयन एडेड टू दी डबल 1 कार्बन है। अच्छा जस्ट लाइक विदाउट राइटिंग मैकेनिज्म है, सपोज मैंने यहाँ फंक्शन ग्रुप इमेजिन करो, बगल में क्या होता है, एडजेसेंट में अल्फा कार्बन है। अच्छा सपोज आई एम राइटिंग ओवर हियर, आई एम राइटिंग ओवर हियर C डबल बॉन्ड H, आई एम राइटिंग ओवर हियर aldehyde को। अच्छा यहाँ कार्बन आयन बनेगा, नो डाउट, दिस कार्बन आयन इज एडेड ओवर दिस कार्बन and यहाँ से हाइड्रोजन एडेड ओवर हियर। ఇప్పుడు నెంబరింగ్ చూడండి 1 2 3 4 5 మెంబర్ రింగ్ होना, now it becomes 5 member ring है। अच्छा फर्स्ट कार्बन में CHOH होना चाहिए, HN डबल बॉन्ड ఇలా మైగ్రేట్ అవ్వాలి కదా, OH అవ్వాలి ఇక్కడ। अच्छा ఆల్రెడీ H ఉంది, ఇది ఫస్ట్ కార్బన్ అనుకోండి. सेकंड कार्बन में CH2, थर्ड कार्बन में CH2, फोर्थ कार्बन में CH2, फिफ्थ कार्बन में CHO ग्रुप ఉంది, फिफ्थ कार्बन में CHO ग्रुप ఉంది. And no doubt at all here iodine also there. अच्छा नंबरिंग इज गिवन लाइक दैट. देखो कंपेयर करो 2 3 4 5. अच्छा 1 है, 2 में CH2 है, 3 में CH2 है, 4 में CH2 है, फिफ्थ में एक CHO है, एक हाइड्रोजन. अच्छा देन डेल्टा, डेल्टा करो, ये अल्फा ना, AB बीटा AB बीटा. अच्छा लेस नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन ओवर हियर, ये 2 हाइड्रोजन्स है. You have to remove hydrogen from less number of hydrogens है, we get a अच्छा यहाँ से OH है, यहाँ से हाइड्रोजन. देखो ये बनेगा आपका मेजर कंपाउंड ये होगा. So this is called intramolecular order condensation है. They may ask the questions है, very simple one. चलो order condensation में different types है, intramolecular है. देखो अच्छा Cannizzaro reaction है, Cannizzaro reaction है. अच्छा Cannizzaro reaction is best example for disproportionation reaction. One molecule undergoes oxidation, another molecule undergoes reduction. अच्छा simple funda I am telling you, remember in Cannizzaro reaction में simple funda, this is nothing but RDS step क्या होता है, hydrogen ion transfer. Previously asked hydrogen ion transfer होता है. अच्छा suppose more reactive aldehyde undergoes oxidation, rest of the molecule undergoes reduction. More reactive aldehyde. For information, nucleophilic acid here nothing but here OH minus acting like a base है, nucleophile. अच्छा in the above example OH minus is nothing but base है. अच्छा base which abstract the proton है, that's why acidic hydrogens are required. अच्छा nucleophile here no acidic hydrogens है, no acidic hydrogens है. The major difference between these two, no acidic hydrogens है. अच्छा more reactive, like both are formaldehyde है, no problem है. One molecule undergoes oxidation, another molecule undergoes reduction. Suppose one formaldehyde, one benzaldehyde है, formaldehyde undergoes oxidation है because more reactive towards nucleophilic addition है, because acting like a nucleophile है. Which is more reactive towards nucleophilic addition that undergoes oxidation है, rest of the molecule undergoes reduction. देखो 2 molecules of formaldehyde है, 2 molecules of benzaldehyde है. अच्छा one molecule of suppose crossed में दिया, one molecule of benzaldehyde है, one molecule of formaldehyde दिया. अच्छा in the presence of a base because this is a nucleophile है. अच्छा nucleophilic addition में किसका ज्यादा reactivity है, formaldehyde, because of resonance है, less reactivity there है. अच्छा whichever more reactive undergoes oxidation है, मतलब सोडियम फॉर्मेट बनेगा, रेस्ट ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल अंडरगोस रिडक्शन है, बेंजीन अल्कोहल बनेगा. अच्छा इसने ज्यादा कंडीशन. अच्छा यू कैन चेक इट व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज मोर reactive towards, more reactive means कितना होना है, minus m increases more reactivity increases one, like plus m increases reactivity decreases according to nucleophilic addition. In a carbonyl compound में we discussed that. For a kind of formation, formaldehyde is more reactive than acetaldehyde than acetone for nucleophilic addition. Nucleophilic addition. Like aromatic aldehyde is less reactive than aliphatic aldehyde. Aromatic में resonance है, कार्बन कार्बन में डबल बॉन्ड हो सकता है, that's why resonance में reactivity कम होता है. This is a Cannizzaro reaction का. But Cannizzaro reaction में एक limitations हैं. Cannizzaro reaction एक limitation क्या होता है? CH3 CH CH3 CHO in the presence of OH minus, it undergoes Cannizzaro reaction rather than Hall condensation. Reason क्या है? अच्छा इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीजिंग है, इलेक्ट्रॉन इंक्रीज हो रहा है. So here BOH is not acting like a base site, is acting like a nucleophile. Whenever acting like a nucleophile, one molecule undergoes oxidation, another molecule undergoes reduction. So even though it containing acetic hydrogen, it undergoes Cannizzaro reaction. It undergoes Cannizzaro reaction. Exceptional case है, you need to remember. अच्छा एक और एग्जांपल है, like CCl3CHO, no alpha hydrogens, but it never undergoes Cannizzaro reaction. But there is no Cannizzaro reaction, अच्छा it undergoes hydroform reaction. It undergoes hydroform reaction, alloform reaction. मतलब आपको CHCl3 बनेगा. ये two exception case है, you need to remember. Like chloroform, like alloform के लिए, because there is no alpha hydrogen, alloform, but there is alpha hydrogen, but still is a Cannizzaro reaction. Next, coal-based electrolysis. अच्छा, coal-based electrolysis is nothing useful for preparation of alkanes, alkenes, alkynes also. Coal-based electrolysis is an example for free radical. This is a free radical mechanism. This is a free radical mechanism. If you want a detailed video, we made one video regarding the coal-based electrolysis. If you want, you can watch it. But simple thing I will tell you, because NCERT textbook में क्या कह दिया coal-based electrolysis में preparation of alkene, alkane, alkyne. Yes, I will tell you in simple. Coal-based electrolysis में अच्छा three different है देखो, CH3COO CH3CONA, सोडियम एस्टेट है, यूटेट है. इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस करो. अच्छा व्हाट आर फॉर्म्ड एट कैथोड एंड एनोड? वेरी सिंपल फंड. अच्छा एक काम करो, यहां से क्लीवेज ऐसा करो. अच्छा CH3 के बीच में कोई बॉन्ड नहीं, यानी पुट वन बॉन्ड है. अच्छा अल्केन ईथेन बनेगा. And 2 moles of CO2. These two are at anode. अच्छा 2 moles of NaOH and H2 at cathode. Preparation of alkene. Same preparation method है. Same method में shall we write this is sodium acetate है. Sodium acetate है. Then I can go for CH2CONA, sodium succinate again sodium succinate and hydrolysis. अच्छा once again you check it on hydrolysis में. अच्छा just like previous one. अच्छा here one bond is there, we can put one more bond. Here no bond is there, put one bond. Very simple funda. अच्छा CH2 double bond CH2 alkene है plus 2CO2 at anode है. अच्छा 2 NaOH plus H2 at क्या? Very simple funda. अच्छा ये कौन है? Alkyne also prepared है. Preparation of alkyne also. Preparation of alkyne also. अब देख लो. सोडियम फ्यूमरेट है, सोडियम मैलिएट है. सोडियम फ्यूमरेट है और सोडियम मैलिएट है. ऑन हाइड्रोलिसिस है. again same cleavage. Now here between these two bonds you can put one more bond, CO2 plus NaOH. Acetylene है, अच्छा 2 moles of CO2 at anode है, अच्छा rest is same है, 2 NaOH at cathode. So coal-based electrolysis में preparation of alkene, alkene, alkyne, alkane, alkene, alkyne, both are prepared. All three are prepared by using coal-based electrolysis. अच्छा देखो HVJ direction है, one more important है HVJ direction, HVJ direction. अच्छा HVJ direction में this is called alpha halogenation है. Nothing but alpha halogenation है. Alpha halogenation reaction. अच्छा in the presence of red phosphorus next, Cl2 and red phosphorus, Br2 red phosphorus, we can use it. अच्छा history suppose we go for acetic acid है, अच्छा Cl2 red phosphorus in the presence of, अच्छा देखो alpha ना, how many alpha carbons are there? One alpha carbon. How many alpha hydrogens? Excess of we are using है. Finally we get, अच्छा पहले we are getting CH2Cl COOH है. Suppose one more molecule used है, dichloro है, acetic acid है, one more molecule है, trichloroacetic acid. Alpha halogenation reaction in the presence of halogen red phosphorus is nothing but HVJ reaction होता है. This reaction is called Hell-Bollehar-Jelensky reaction. Simply we call it HVJ reaction. Only name of reactions are there asking you. Next, Gabriel-Thallemide synthesis है. Very good example है. Gabriel-Thallemide synthesis only. अच्छा, this is preparation of pure primary amines है. अच्छा, pure primary amines है. That too aliphatic है. Aliphatic primary amines है. Not applicable to aromatic है. Not applicable to, this method is not applicable to aromatic primary amines. Previously so many times the questions are asked. देखो क्यों this is not applicable? This is thalamide है, ये thalamide है in the presence of this is base है. Base means removal of water molecule है. अच्छा देखो नाइट्रोजन में नेगेटिव चार्ज होता है and K प्लस ऐड करेगा. now देखो RX है, यहाँ भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, RX है, R प्लस X माइनस है. अच्छा KX बाहर जाएंगे, देखो अच्छा NR आएंगे. सपोज हियर इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस है, अच्छा इंस्टेड ऑफ RX है, सपोज यू कैन टेक क्लोरोबेंजीन है. अच्छा क्लोरोबेंजीन में देखो partial double bond possibility ना, without partial double bond phenyl carbocation is unstable, is not possible, unstable compound. That's why aromatic amines are not prepared by using this method only. Only aliphatic amines are prepared using this method only. Then further undergoes hydrolysis and we get primary amines only. We get aliphatic primary amines only, not aromatic primary amines. Aliphatic primary amines. This is very important reaction है. Gabriel-Thallemide synthesis है named reactions में. चलो next. देखो note में aromatic primary amines cannot prepared by this method because aryl halide do not undergo nucleophilic substitution with anion formed by thalamide. Because of benzene ring में phenyl carbocation is unstable. Partial double bond character is there. That's why there is no nucleophilic substitution reactions for this one. Next, one more important है Hofmann-Bromide degradation reaction. अच्छा degradation में क्या होता है? Degradation का reaction होता है. अच्छा Hofmann-Bromide degradation, one carbon less sign. For a kind of information, here. अच्छा ये number of carbons, suppose n carbons है. ये number of carbons obtained is n-1 carbons. 1 कार्बन लेस होता है, 1 कार्बन लेस होता है। अच्छा, हियर इंटरमीडिएट कंपाउंड्स आर नाइट्रीन्स है। अच्छा, మీకున్న మనకున్న సిలబస్ లో ఇన్ అవర్ సిలబస్ है नाइट्रीन्स आर इंटरमीडिएट कंपाउंड ओनली Huffman bromide degradation reaction only, a Curtius reaction only, but mostly in named reaction given Huffman bromide reaction only nitrines are intermediate compounds है। अच्छा, नाइट्रीन्स क्या होता है यार? ये नाइट्रीन्स आर इंटरमीडिएट कंपाउंड्स, नाइट्रीन्स आर ओनली इंटरमीडिएट कंपाउंड है सर, right? Nitrines are only intermediate compound in Gabriel. You remember this is conversion में भी very important है। सपोज कन्वर्शन ऐसा पूछ सकते हैं आपसे, कन्वर्शन ऐसा पूछ सकते हैं आपसे C6H5 C डबल बॉन्ड O NH2। अच्छा, ये कन्वर्शन देता है Br2 NaOH है। अच्छा, दूसरा कन्वर्शन देता है लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड। अच्छा, ये कंपाउंड, ये कंपाउंड बी, ये लास्ट वाटर कंपाउंड ए एंड कंपाउंड बी। अच्छा, कंपाउंड ए नथिंग बट Huffman bromide degradation reaction है कंपाउंड ए, नथिंग बट एनिलीन होता है कंपाउंड ए। अच्छा, कंपाउंड बी आल्सो एमाइन्स है बट सेम नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम्स, नॉट 1 कार्बन लेस ओनली। अच्छा, इसको होता है ये बेंजोएमिन होता है। These two are not isomer, these two are homologous series। एक एनिलीन है, एक बेंजोएमिन, एक एनिलीन है, एक बेंजोएमिन, एक एनिलीन है, एक बेंजोएमिन, एक एनिलीन होता है, एक बेंजोएमिन होता है। चलो, अच्छा देखो, कार्बोलेमेंट रिएक्शन हो, कार्बोलेमेंट रिएक्शन आल्सो। In कार्बोलेमेंट reaction also intermediate compounds are nothing but carbenes है, just like Ramet-Imine reaction है। In कार्बोलेमेंट reaction also intermediate compounds are carbenes है। Because whenever these are the reactant है, chloroform and KOH है, intermediate compounds are nothing but carbenes only। But this is isophenyl, this is called phenyl isocyanate test also। This is called phenyl isocyanate test। Phenyl isocyanate test। अच्छा, only it gives a primary, secondary देखो, secondary tertiary amine do not show this reaction। test for primary में aliphatic के लिए, aromatic के लिए। So very important reaction है carbon reaction, because Ramet-Imine reaction, carbon reaction, इन दोनों reaction में intermediate compounds are carbenes only in our entire 11th and 12th given syllabus। Now, अच्छा, Innsbruck's reagent है, distinguish between primary, secondary, tertiary amines है। Innsbruck's reagent है, primary, secondary, tertiary के लिए difference है। difference क्या होता है? Innsbruck's reagent है, benzene sulfonyl chloride है। देखो, benzene sulfonyl chloride is nothing but Innsbruck's reagent है। बेंजीन सल्फोनाइल क्लोराइड इज नथिंग बट Innsbruck's reagent है, राइट? अच्छा देखो, प्राइमरी के लिए क्या है, सेकेंडरी के लिए क्या है, वी कैन डिस्कस। प्राइमरी के लिए क्या है, सेकेंडरी के लिए क्या है। अच्छा देखो, ये प्राइमरी अमीन है, प्राइमरी अमीन है, ये प्राइमरी अमीन है। इंस्टेड ऑफ हाइड्रोजन दिस एंटायर ग्रुप इज रिप्लेस्ड। Now after replacement still it is having acidic hydrogen है, acidic hydrogen है। So whenever acidic hydrogen interact with NaOH, acidic hydrogen है, that's why which is soluble in, देखो which is soluble in NaOH, acidic hydrogen का which is soluble in NaOH। But in case of secondary amine है, देखो secondary amine है। अच्छा, instead of this है, instead of hydrogen है, this entire group is replaced है, देखो। But here there is no acidic hydrogen है, no acidic hydrogen है, so insoluble, मतलब NaOH no reaction, difference between primary and secondary। Now in case of tertiary में, अच्छा there is no hydrogen है, tertiary tertiary means not reactor because there is no hydrogen. Replacement के लिए कोई hydrogen नहीं. This is difference है. This is test used for distribution primary, secondary, tertiary means. Right? But which are given NCERT textbook, we can use it. But nowadays it is replaced by para-toluene sulfonate chloride only. Para-toluene sulfonate chloride only. But NCERT में दिया Innsbruck's reagent है. What is Innsbruck's reagent is important. अच्छा देखो coupling reaction है. Coupling reactions है. Coupling reactions are very important है. Because they're asking colors है. Coupling reactions में क्या क्या color होता है. Benzene diazolic. Generally coupling reactions are taking place in para position है. Because it is also example for electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. ES reactions only. Coupling reaction generally because presence of OH group है, presence of NH group है, ortho para direct substituting ortho para dating group only ना. So instead of hydrogen है, instead of hydrogen this entire group is replaced. Electrophilic. Electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions only. These are coupling reaction only. अच्छा देखो instead of hydrogen entire replaced है. Para hydroxy color orange color ऑरेंज कलर होता है. एलिन के लिए येलो कलर होता है. अच्छा ये बेसिक मीडियम में होता है. इसे बेसिक मीडियम में होता है. रिएक्शन से कपलिंग रिएक्शन से बिकॉज़ ये एसिड है. नाउ इन केस ऑफ एलिन एसिडिक मीडियम में होता है. ये वाला एसिडिक मीडियम लेना. ये वाला एसिडिक मीडियम में होता है. pH is less than 7 है, pH is greater than 7 है. Approximately pH 9 to 10 यूज करता है. अच्छा pH 5 to 6 यूज करता है. अच्छा again same instead of hydrogen this entire group is replaced. Entire group is replaced. This color is yellow dye color. This is orange dye color. Orange dye color. चलो next. Coupling reactions also very important है. चल give. Now what is the Markovnikov rule है? What is the anti-Markovnikov? देखो what is the Markovnikov rule है? These are also named reactions है. We'll finish what is the Markovnikov rule है. अच्छा Markovnikov rule means is applicable to unsymmetrical alkene. Applicable to unsymmetrical alkenes. अच्छा in Markovnikov rule generally secondary tertiary alcohols or aldehydes sir. Generally major compounds are. अच्छा what is the statement? What is statement? Negative part of the reagent. Negative part of the reagent. Part of the reagent is added to double or triple bond carbon. Double bonded carbon atom which are having less number, which are having less number of hydrogen or most. But याद करना. अच्छा ये Markovnikov rule में formation of carbocation intermediate compound. अच्छा intermediate is nothing but formation of carbocation. अच्छा whenever carbocation there is a chance, whenever carbocation is formed there is a chance for rearrangement. There is a chance for rearrangement. So there is a chance for rearrangement. There is a chance for rearrangement. So generally in Markovnikov rule में secondary and tertiary products are more stable. Tertiary compounds are more stable. अच्छा anti-Markovnikov rule में primary compounds are more stable. Primary compounds are obtained, secondary compounds are obtained. अच्छा एक बार एक एग्जांपल देखो, मार्कोनी का प्रूफ, एक एग्जांपल देखो, CH3 CH डबल बॉन्ड CH2। अच्छा HBr ऐड करना और HCl ऐड करना। देखो कैसा होता है, नेगेटिव पार्ट ऑफ द रिएजेंट इज एडेड टू डबल बॉन्ड कार्बन वेयर लेस नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन। नेगेटिव पार्ट ऑफ द रिएजेंट इज एडेड टू डबल बॉन्ड वेयर लेस नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन। अच्छा डायरेक्टली हाउ टू राइट द प्रोडक्ट, CH3 CHBr CH3, डायरेक्टली हाउ टू राइट द प्रोडक्ट। बट अच्छा some application questions are given, some application questions are given like CH3 अच्छा CH3 CH double bond CH। अच्छा again suppose HI is given, HBr is given, don't worry। now first step is formation of carbocation, first step is formation of carbocation। अच्छा carbocation form होगा, that for that I go for formation of carbocation first step, I go for step because this is a acidic medium means reaction initiated by acid only, acid only। मतलब फर्स्ट स्टेप में कैसा लिखूंगा मैंने, ये फर्स्ट स्टेप है। सेकेंडरी कार्बोकैटायंस आर फॉर्म, सेकेंडरी कार्बोकैटायन, बट सेकेंडरी कार्बोकैटायन से ज्यादा टेरिशियरी इज मोर स्टेबल ना। when there is a carbocation there is a chance for rearrangement है। अच्छा 1 to हाइड्रोजन शिफ्ट करो, मतलब यहां से हाइड्रोजन मैंने ऐसा लिखूंगा, H माइनस को शिफ्ट कर रहा है यहाँ, H माइनस को शिफ्ट कर रहा है यहाँ, देन CH3 C पॉजिटिव चार्ज, मेरे को यहाँ टेरिशियरी कार्बोकेटन बन रहा है। So when there is a formation of carbocation, there is a chance for rearrangement. Sometimes ring expansion also possibility there. Now next step is attack of nucleophile. Now next step is Br minus, अच्छा Br minus or I minus. I take I minus. Don't worry, I will take I minus. Attack at the center where electron is. These are the major components. So beware. In NCERT में ज़्यादा application नहीं दिया, but application दिया तो. अच्छा, one more best example is hydration of alkenes. Hydration of alkenes also follows Markovnikov rule. देखो, hydration of alkenes है. Hydration of alkenes follows Markovnikov rule है. Markovnikov rule है. Best example है. अच्छा, previous example है मैंने लिया CH3, CH3, CH double bond CH2. अच्छा, हाइड्रेशन का मतलब we can use dill sulfuric acid. अच्छा, do one thing ना, very serious. Dill sulfuric acid is given है. For your convenience, you can go for H plus OH minus. H plus OH minus. अच्छा, negative part is nothing but OH only. अच्छा, after rearrangement mechanism, previous mechanism, अच्छा, what we will get? अच्छा, OH over here, not here, not here. Because secondary carbocation is formed na, then there is a chance for rearrangement. Then directly I can go for hydration of alkenes are example for Markovnikov rule. अच्छा, Markovnikov rule, they may ask the question, right? चलो next. अच्छा, उसका reverse है anti Markovnikov rule. अच्छा, anti Markovnikov reverse of the अच्छा, reverse of means negative, here negative part of the reagent, negative part of the reagent is added to double bond carbon atom having more number of hydrogens. More number of hydrogens. अच्छा, देखो above example, above is an example, but this is an example for electrophilic addition है. दिस इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एडिशन है, दिस फ्री रेडिकल एडिशन है, दिस इज एग्जांपल ऑफ फ्री रेडिकल एडिशन, फ्री रेडिकल एडिशन. ये फ्री रेडिकल एडिशन मींस सिंपली हियर primary compounds are most stable. Primary compounds are most stable. अच्छा, we can अच्छा, this is an anti-Markovnikov rule applicable to only HBr, not HISCl. The reason is an anti-Markovnikov rule है. First step is in the presence of peroxide है, peroxide effect है, peroxide effect also. In the presence of this UV light है, क्या बनेगा? Free radical है, free radicals बनेगा. अच्छा, these free radicals have enough energy to break HBr, converted into ROH and Br. But this free radical having not enough energy to break HF and HC. Not possible. Not possible. That's why it is applicable to only HBr. This is applicable to only HBr. Only HBr. But in case of HI, reversible reactions are possible. But in case of HI, reversible reactions are possible. So it is applicable to only HBr, anti-Markovnikov. अच्छा, hydroboration of alkenes are also example for anti-Markovnikov. Hydroboration of alkenes. Hydroboration of alkenes also example for anti-Markovnikov. Anti-Markovnikov. So these are the syllabus which are given in NCERT textbook, right? अच्छा, next, what is stage of elimination? What is Hoffman elimination? Stage of elimination है, Hoffman elimination. अच्छा, last two reaction. What is stage of elimination? What is Hoffman? अच्छा, stage of elimination of this is beta elimination है. Beta elimination है. अच्छा, in stage of rule also intermediate compound is formation of carbocation है. ये formation of carbocation है. Intermediate compound is formation of carbocation है. intermediate formation of carbocation है. अच्छा, very simple है. Highly substituted alkenes are most stable. Highly substituted alkenes are most stable. Alkenes are most stable. Highly substituted alkenes are most stable. Right. Means you have eliminate hydrogen from beta carbon where less number of hydrogen. So eliminate hydrogen from beta carbon where less number of hydrogen. But beware, whenever carbocation is formed, there is chance for rearrangement. अच्छा, stage of rule dehydration है, dehydrogenation है. अच्छा, for example, अच्छा, stage of rule है और dehydration के लिए dehydration of alcohols है. अच्छा, dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halides है. अच्छा एक एक एग्जांपल है, वी कैन डिस्कस. अच्छा एक एक एग्जांपल है, वी कैन डिस्कस. अच्छा बेस्ट एग्जांपल CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH3. Concentrated H2SO4. अच्छा डेट. अच्छा dehydrating agent means you have to go alpha, this alpha carbon and this beta carbon. अच्छा beware of carbocation is formed, which is more stable. Then there is chance for rearrangement also, but there is no chance. Anyhow, secondary carbocation is more stable one. We have to eliminate hydrogen from beta carbon where less number of hydrogen. मतलब CH3, CH, you have to remove hydrogen from over here. Double bond CH. This is major compound. Suppose you have to eliminate hydrogen from over here. This is a minor compound. CH2 double bond CH, CH2 CH. This is a minor compound because in first case में RCH double bond CHR highly substituted. Second case में CH double bond CHR. This is not highly substituted. Highly substituted alkenes are more stable according to Seychelles. Now reverse is nothing but the Hofmann elimination. What is the reverse है? अच्छा reverse है. अच्छा Hofmann elimination में less substituted products are more stable. Reverse है. What is it? From here carbanion is intermediate compound. Carbanion is a intermediate compound. Intermediate compound carbanion is. अच्छा particularly E1CB mechanism we can using Hofmann elimination. Unimolecular conjugate mechanism we can use this Hofmann elimination only action. अच्छा where from we have to eliminate beta carbon. Hydrogen is eliminating from beta carbon where more number of hydrogens are present. Hydrogens are present. अच्छा देखो यहाँ क्या होना चाहिए, कंडीशन क्या होना चाहिए? When we can use except 2-3 condition, remaining all cases में you can use Seychelles elimination. When you have to use Hofmann elimination when you can use Hofmann elimination if leaving group is poor. Leaving group is poor. अच्छा leaving group is poor means either F गाने, NH2 गाने, CH3 minus गाने, CH3 minus. These leaving groups are poor. Leaving groups are poor. Then we can go for Hofmann elimination. Example है. अच्छा CH3, CHF, CH2, CH3. Like alcoholic OH, dehydroallylating agent, elimination reaction. अच्छा then according to this alpha beta, according to Seychelles, this is not according to Seychelles, like carbanion is formed. अच्छा according to this beta carbon which is having more number of hydrogen, you have to remove hydrogen. मतलब major compound यहाँ होता है CH2 double bond CH, CH2 CH. This is a major compound according to the Hofmann elimination. But according to Seychelles is different. But leaving group is poor, we can use a Hofmann elimination. अच्छा bulky reagent is used. If bulky reagent or bulky leaving group, then you can follow Hofmann elimination. Hofmann's elimination. अच्छा bulky reagent का मतलब एग्जाम्पल, एक एग्जाम्पल है सपोज potassium tertiary butoxide is used. bulky reagent, a bulky reagent. Whenever bulky reagent, this is also example for dehydrohalogenating agent. Dehydrohalogenation. Bulky reagent used, then you can go for hormone elimination. अच्छा bulky रीविंग ग्रुप होता है ऐसा, ये bulky रीविंग ग्रुप है. Whenever bulky रीविंग group is used, you can use this one. अच्छा Hoffman elimination three condition में pool रीविंग ग्रुप है, bulky reagent है, bulky रीविंग ग्रुप है, then you have to follow Hoffman elimination है. In Hoffman elimination है, you have to eliminate hydrogen from beta carbon where more number of hydrogen. अच्छा these are the questions, these are the named reactions which are given in NCERT books. That definitely you can useful for you. Within 1.5 hour time में you can score maximum 12 marks in NEET examination. अच्छा don't go for banned mechanisms because they're asking very simple question है. What are named reaction? What are the reactions? What are the products? What are the like electrophilic addition, free radical addition? Just you can go for ES reactions or nucleophilic reactions. So that you have to remember. That's it.